Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with Gustan Associates. I want to start off by saying please subscribe to our videos. Hit the little subscribe button and there's a little bell. Please hit that too for us. So help us help you. I want to talk to you today about what the loan process is from A to Z. So what you should expect is you should find your realtor, find your mortgage broker. Once you have your realtor is going to ask you to get a pre-approval letter. That's when you reach out to the mortgage broker. Call your mortgage broker. They're going to ask you a lot of questions, ask for some documents, put you through some automated underwriting systems, and let you know what you're pre-approved for. Once you have the pre-approval letter, you give it to your realtor. Now you go make offers on your house. You're going to find a house for $200,000. You might start at $185. They might counter at $195. You go up to $190. They go down to $192. And then you got a deal like $191. And that's kind of how it goes down. So that's how the bid and offer goes. Never pay full price right out of the door unless it's really competitive and there's 10 offers on the house. Then you're going to go to asking price or above. Always try to get yourself a deal though if you can. So that's what I recommend on that part. So once you get the contract accepted, let's say you bought the house for $191. Now you give that contract to your mortgage broker and he collects the rest of the docs that they need to submit the loan. He may have asked you for enough docs to determine that you qualify, but not all the documentation that you need. Once you provide him all the documentation, please give it all to him, please. And once you supply all of it to them, then it goes into an underwriting queue. Underwriter you're in line for an underwriter to review it. We order the appraisal, we order title, we order verifications of employment in the background while the underwriter starts reviewing it. So you're going to have to give us a credit card for your appraisal. You're also going to be getting an inspection done on your own after you write the contract, and that's to make sure that the house is okay. So you get your own inspection. We don't need that. That's just for yourself. So now you're in underwriting. We got the appraisal order, title order. Now we're going to ask you for some insurance information, so you're going to shop around for an insurance agent. Once you get the insurance information, you give it to us. We order insurance. So we're getting insurance, we're getting title, we're getting appraisal. Underwriter comes back with a list of conditions. Maybe they want a more recent pay stub. Maybe they want an explanation on your pay, why it's decreasing, or what's happening, or you switch jobs, or they might want to know some more questions. They may want another W-2. You never know what they're going to want. Better copy of your ID. There's 1,000 conditions they could ask for. So once we get a list of conditions, we have to satisfy them. Satisfying conditions mean more paperwork for you. We have to get this paper perfect. So don't freak out when the underwriters are asking for a lot of silly stuff. It's paper pushing. It's getting this file nice and organized so they can sell it on the secondary market. So the secondary market doesn't get a chance to ask you questions. So the underwriter, when she's underwriting it, is making sure it's perfect. So there are no questions for the next person who opens up this file. It's got to be like a book, perfect book for the next person to pick it up and understand what's going on with your file. So once we satisfy those conditions, the appraisal comes in, the insurance is in, the title's in. We wrap all those conditions and give it to the underwriter. She signs off on everything, and you get what's called the clear to close. When you get the clear to close, we're all jumping up and down. It's over. The nightmare's over. We're happy, and we start scheduling the closing. So we call the realtors, the sellers, we find out what the best time is, and then we schedule that closing, and then you go to that closing and you sign your name away, and it's your house, and that's the end of it, and that's how it ends. So that's A to Z on buying a house and what you should expect. If you have any questions, please call me. My name is Alex Carlucci. I'm with Gustan. Please subscribe. Please ring that little bell. You'll see a lot more videos if you do that. Thank you.